Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something really cool, the butterfly effect. So, what's this butterfly effect thing? Well, imagine a tiny butterfly flaps its wings in one part of the world. Now, that little butterfly action might set off a chain reaction. It's kinda like dropping a pebble into a pond and watching ripples spread. Those ripples get bigger and bigger, and guess what? Sometimes, they can lead to really big things happening somewhere far away. I mean, who would have thought a tiny butterfly could cause a big storm on the other side of the world, right? But here's the cool part. This idea isn't just about butterflies and storms. It's also about us and our everyday actions. Imagine you do something small, like helping a friend or being nice to someone. Well, that small act of kindness can make them feel good. And when they feel good, they might go on to be kind to others. It's like a chain reaction of kindness. That's the butterfly effect in our everyday lives. It shows us that even the tiniest things we do can create big, positive changes in the world. So, next time you're wondering if your small actions matter, remember the butterfly effect. They do matter, and they can make the world a better place. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun and fascinating stuff. See you in the next video.